Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to find the volume of a solid of revolution about the x-axis for the equation y is equal to the square root of x minus 1. So we have this region, and this region is rotated 360 degrees about the x-axis to create a solid of revolution. To find its volume, I showed you in a previous video, this is equal to pi times the integral between the limits of a and b of y squared integrated with respect to x. So we need to begin by substituting this value of y into this y in our equation. So the volume will be pi times the integral between the limits of 2 to 5 of the square root of x minus 1 squared dx. And then you can see that this square and this square root will cancel. So we'll have the volume is pi times the integral between 2 to 5 of x minus 1 dx. Now all we need to do is integrate this x minus 1. So we'll have a volume will be pi. We integrate x minus 1, we get 1/2 x squared minus the x, and the limits are 2 to 5. Now we substitute in these limits. This will be pi times 1/2 of x squared, so 25/2, minus the 5, and then the lower limit, well, 2 squared is 4, 1/2 of 4 is 2, minus the 2, this becomes 0, so the volume will be pi multiplied by 25/2, take away the 5, 15/2. So tidying this up, the volume will be 15 pi over 2 units cubed.